good. Counting up.
That guy, he says shit, I don't even know what he's saying sometimes.
Well, I got like 3 or 4 accents.
Yeah? 3 or 4?
I kind of get
Where do
mixed
you
up.
think they're from? And what kind are they exactly? I mean, I need you to elaborate.
Well, they got a little coon accent from Louisiana, a little New Yorker, a little bit Irish.
I didn't.
Tyler, what's going on, man?
Just, you know, trying to be God's gift to the world. That's pretty much what I do on a daily basis. Is walk around, judge people, tell them what they're doing wrong with their lives, and the human race as a whole. I was put on this earth to be awesome, to, like I said, tell people how to live their lives. That's what I do.
What's going on over here?
516 getting his new decals on. Say he wasn't much of a decaler as a kid. True, he's still not. He's just putting 516s all over the thing. Trying to represent. That's what we do. We rep. We rep 516.
Give me a comment on that, Tyler.
After 6 months off, but I still got what it takes. I should have started with that. He told me that about 6. He told me about 1. That's getting downhill after that one. Come on now.
What is his name?
Bob Duzalewski.
Huh?
Bob Duzalkowski.
I'm not sure. It's something.
Bob Dibalewski. I don't know what it is. Bob Dukowski. Bob Dukuski. Dibalewski. That guy. What is your last name?
David Alsky.
David Alsky. Way off on the Dubalewskis. You gotta put that thing down every now and then. Concession stand?
Come on, man. Check out that.
Well, here at Dora Speedway, we have these things called pizza steak burgers. They're what we have. They're the equivalent of the South Boston fried bologna sandwich or the Martinsville hot dog. Let's go, Ray. In the middle of a Steady Eddie Jones, Mr. Top 5, Levi Jones, 2-time USAC National Sprint Car Champion. Me and Shane Mill doing an interview. Right there we are. Steady and Shane are really good friends. That's what they do. They travel around doing USAC events.
Sit down there. the heat race there?
Well, the race doesn't really mean anything. There's not enough cars for people to go home, so the car didn't handle it correctly, and I don't have a lot of money to fix it if I was going to tear it up, so I just did what I could do and started the feature.
So you think you got anything for the feature, or is it?
I don't really know. This is my first. This place is kind of tough in the mid. You got to run wide open. If it gets close enough to the fence, we get the car driving. We might have something.
What's your overall impression of the night?
Pretty impressed by how we run. Finished second. Nerve-wracking for that kid, but get used to it over the years.
There he is, right there.
There he is. That's the wild child. That's super shooting.